So after we have our outlines, it's time to do tonal shading. Okay, and if you watch my first video, for those of you that's not live but in a video format, you saw me do the zoo, but now you're going to see shading cube and concept. So before you shade, you need to look at the object. Right here it is, and think about the lighting. All right. Um, so the lighting in this case seems to be red lighting right actually up, right, which is interesting. Good. This might be second brightest. Okay, and this might be darker. Actually, you know what? It's possible this is even brighter than this. All right, I got a window coming from over here, making this right. These are close equal. Should not always be the case. Usually there's obvious brightest, middle, darkest dimension. Okay. Um, but in this case, it's a little tough. I'm wearing my eyes. I think this is the brightest by a little bit. So, because we got the side light coming in from the window. So, easy one to start. Okay. So, I'm going to come over here and there's shading. All right. Some people do some process. All right. So, you make a little line, like that. Okay. Um, most shading goes a lot better with a pencil than a pen. But let's be honest. All right, what you're going to see going like this, and it's basic, not very sophisticated, but it kind of works. Right? I get it done. Another way to shade besides cross-hatching and little lines like I just did is if you have a yeah, put like a little do the cross and then wipe it with your thumb, and that should help get you a really even kind of number. Okay. Um, let's see, just checking on here. Okay, I think we're good. So that should be really even, like kind of shading. All right. Um, or you could use right to kind of like blur it and make it really smooth. I've given you like 3 or 4 different ways to shading now. All right. This would be little dots. Okay. That's really good for do very light shading. So we'll check that out in a second. But this is the dark side. So I'm shading this now. Keeping in mind this is the dark side. All right, and you want to try to get it nice and even. Okay, I'm going to make it a little darker just to provide more contrast. So what we call this is tonal shading. Okay. All right. We've got the dark side, and something to keep in mind is you should look and make sure all of the faces that are in that same dimension, in this case Z plane, are roughly the same darkness. All right. With zoo, you know what we did first is make sure that our darkest things were pretty much whole, right? Because this is the very darkest, and then this was the next. All right. Yeah, they're all the same. You're like looking in this direction. All right. And then this is a little darker than here. This is the brightest. All right, but you want to think for all my Z together. All right, so here. All right. So now I'm going to shade this. All right, and we want to pull that it's not that anywhere near as dark as that other face. I said, a lot easier to do with a pen than a pen. Okay, that's probably at least halfway decent. Okay, we can adjust it more later if we. And finally, we got the face. Maybe you could just leave it as it is. Hmm, I mean, if it's really bright, sure, fine. But in general, it's kind of naked and um, garish. Word for you. All right, garish. It's blindingly light. Right. All right. So we need to fix. All right. And so this is like a good example of when dots are useful, little like little marks. Okay. And of course, in my sketch, I would have erased my x, y, and z coordinates. All right, if I had my pencil. All right, and then yeah, I'm gonna finish getting this in just a little bit, and it should be lighter than our second most bright area. All right, and if you kind of blur your eyes, okay, yeah, that kind of looks decent. Okay, even yeah, even if you don't shade it enough, it can look garish, right? Too bright. Right. Well, yeah. So now that I'm done, I'm like, oh, it's kind of this, go back and mark this. Actually, at it, it was really hard to tell that this was brighter than this side. All right, maybe it's good, alternative. All right, like I said, it's all about what the eye sees. It's not what you think going on in your head about what should look like. Trust your eye. Go with what your eye is seeing. Okay, in that case is a pretty decent one. Now, if I really wanted to make it nice, these edges, these are old, right? These little cubes. So I come in, I soften the edges. Right, this one, there's all kinds of stuff going on with it. All right, it's not looking so good these days. All right, so this is just fine detail work, like kind of soften the edges up. All right, um, yeah, and maybe dark to object lines. But, yeah. Okay, that is basically how to do tonal shading. I'm gonna stop there.